Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're starting phase 1 of reviving my SW20 MR2. And listen, this thing has been sitting for years. I mean, it basically became part of the forest at this point. But here's the crazy part. The car is in stock. Somebody swapped a Toyota, like Lexus V6 into it, and then just gave up halfway. So today, we're going to be going over the car, what's wrong with it, and the full plan to bring it back to life. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. Leaves everywhere, bumper hanging, interior destroyed, mold, rusty bolts, you name it. This thing's got it all. But honestly, I've seen worse. The frame is solid, and that's what really matters. And this is where things get interesting. This is a 1MZ FE VVTi V6 out of a Lexus. It's actually a super popular swap for these MR2s because it's reliable, torquey, and it sounds insane when running. Now, before I even think about starting the engine, we've got to make this car safe to roll, safe to steer, and safe to stop. And that is phase 1 of getting this car started and on the road. So here's a parts list of everything I'm gonna buy for this car. So I'm gonna get some steering rack bushing, outer plus inner tie rods, full brake rebuild, calipers, rotors, and some lines, some suspension bushing, steering column repairs, and basically making sure this thing can drive safely without exploding into a billion pieces and just exploding. The good news is I got a ton of original MR2 plastics inside the trunk. These pieces are getting rare and expensive, so it's nice that they weren't all just thrown away. So phase 1 is chassis and safety. Phase 2 is going to be all about getting the V6 swap actually working. So coolant system, wiring harness, ECU, fuel system, shift cables, clutch, hydraulics, the whole deal. And by phase 3, this thing should fire up for the first time in years. So yeah, that's the plan. This car is a wreck right now, but it's got good bones and a killer engine swap. I'm bringing it back one step at a time. If you want to follow the build, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and comment what you want to see in phase 2. Trust me, this MR2 is going to be a monster when it's done. Alright, phase 1 starts now.